Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shivu Classes. So our first question is 4x plus 6y equals to 3xy, 8x plus 9y equals to 5xy, and we have to find out the value of x and y by using elimination method. So our first equation is 4x plus 6y equals to 3xy. So we will divide the whole equation by xy. The reason is that we have to make the value of c. We will divide the whole equation by xy because here after the equals to sign the value is 3xy, and we know the form of a pair of linear equation in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. So here c1, it is constant. It means it does not contain a variable either x or y. So that is why we will divide this equation by xy. So equation is 4x plus 6y equals to 3xy. So we will divide the whole equation by xy. So by xy. Now this x will be cancelled out by this x, this y will be cancelled out by this y, and these whole terms will be cancelled out. Now the equation becomes 4 upon y plus 6 upon x equals to 3. This is our third equation. Now the second equation is 8x plus 9y equals to 5xy. Again the same reason, we have to divide the whole equation by xy because for c it means that for the constant it does not contain the variables either in terms of x or y. So this also divided by xy, this one also, and this one also. Now what will happen? This x will be cancelled out by this x, this y will be cancelled out by this y, and these two terms, sorry, these two variables, that is xy and xy, will be cancelled out. Now the equation becomes 8 upon y plus 9 upon x equals to 5. This is our fourth equation. Now the conclusion is our third and the fourth equation is 4 upon y plus 6 upon x equals to 3. And the fourth one is 8 upon y plus 9 upon x equals to 5. Now if we will see, we will know the form of our linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 equals to 0. Yes, so but it does not come in this form, so that is, it is written in the form of 4 into 1 upon y, 4 into 1 upon y plus 6 into 1 upon x equals to 3. Similarly the fourth equation, that is 8 into 1 upon y plus 9 into 1 upon x equals to 5. So we will assume the value of 1 upon y and 1 upon x. So let us assume, so let 1 upon y equals to u and 1 upon x equals to v. Now equation becomes 4 upon y. We have assume 1 upon y as u plus 6v equals to 3, and the other one will become 8u plus 9v equals to 5. Now this equation comes in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Okay, this is our fifth equation and this is our sixth equation. Now we will solve these two equations. So 4u plus 6v equals to 3, 8u plus 9v equals to 5. I have told you earlier also, in elimination method we have to make the coefficient same either of any of the two variables, either of the variable here the variables are u and v, either of the variable u or either of the variable v. So we will make the coefficient of the variable u same. So in the first equation the coefficient is 4 and here it is 8. So we will multiply this one by 2 to make the coefficient same. Now the equation becomes 8u because 4 2 is 8 plus 12v equals to 6, and this will remain as it is, that is 8u plus 9v equals to 5. So now equation becomes 8u plus 12v equals to 6, 8u plus 12v equals to 6 and 8u plus 9v equals to 5. Now here the coefficient of u is also positive and the coefficient of u in the second equation is also positive. So that is why we will do here subtraction. So minus, minus and minus. So this will be cancelled out. Okay. So 12 minus 9, it is 3v equals to 6 minus 5, that is 1. And the value of v is 1 upon 3. But v equals to, we have assumed, but v equals to 1 upon x. And the value of v is 1 upon 3. So we have used here the value of v equals to 1 upon 3 equals to 1 upon x. So x equals to 3. Now we have used the value of v in the sixth equation, that is 8u plus 9v equals to 5. So 8u plus 9 into 1 upon 3. Why 1 upon 3? Because the value of v is 1 upon 3. So 9 into 1 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So equals to 5. 8u plus 3 equals to 5. 8u equals to 5 minus 3. 8u equals to 2 and u equals to 2 upon 8, which is u equals to 1 upon 4. But u equals to 1 upon y. So 1 upon 4 equals to 1 upon y. Then y equals to 4. Hence x equals to 3 and y equals to 4.